The AI drone revolution is here, and it's moving faster than most investors realize. Governments, defense contractors, logistics companies, and even farmers are pouring billions into drone technology that can think, learn, and operate autonomously. In fact, analysts expect the global AI drone market to grow at more than 25% annually, soaring past $50 billion by 2030. For investors, that kind of growth isn't just exciting, it's life-changing. While the big names dominate headlines, it's often the smaller, innovative AI drone stocks that deliver the biggest returns. And with defense spending on the rise, commercial adoption accelerating, and AI integration reshaping what drones can actually do, a handful of these companies are now being tipped as the next potential 10x plays. In this video, we're breaking down 3 AI drone stocks that could ride this wave of explosive growth and one surprise battery stock that could power them all. Because no matter how advanced drones become, they can't fly without batteries, and there's one AI-driven battery company that's perfectly positioned to benefit not just from drones, but from the global clean energy transition as well. To celebrate this channel reaching 5,000 subscribers, I've created a free guide on spotting breakout stocks. You can grab your copy from the description below. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps us reach more investors like you. Quick reminder, this video is not financial advice. Investing in stocks is risky. Always do your research before making any decision. All right, kicking off my list is Redcat Holdings ticker symbol, RCAT, a company that's quickly emerging as one of the best small-cap drone stocks to invest in. While it's not a household name like some of the defense giants, Redcat has carved out a niche in military-grade AI-powered drones that are designed for surveillance, defense, and tactical operations. In a world where governments are pouring billions into upgrading their drone fleets, Redcat is in the right place at the right time. Just recently, on August 4th, Northland Securities analyst Michael Lattimore raised his price target on RCAT from $13 to $15, maintaining an outperform rating. The upgrade came on the back of the company's fiscal year 2025 results, which highlighted not only strong execution, but also a pipeline of notable opportunities ahead. For a small-cap stock, having that kind of Wall Street validation is a major confidence boost. Redcat Holdings ranks among the best drone stocks to buy according to analysts. The company announced on August 13th that Teal Drones, a subsidiary, obtained AS 9100 certification from NSF International Strategic Registrations in July 2025. The AS 9100 standard is the internationally accepted standard for quality control in the space, defense, and aviation industries. The certification encompasses the entire product lifespan, including design, production, and maintenance procedures. From a technical perspective, Redcat has been trading in a consolidation zone, but the analyst upgrade and improving fundamentals could act as catalysts for a breakout. If momentum builds, this stock could easily attract more institutional attention, especially given its relatively small float and exposure to high-demand defense contracts. What sets Redcat apart is its focus on rugged AI-driven drones designed for real-world defense applications, a sector that isn't slowing down anytime soon. With geopolitical tensions driving demand for advanced military drones, RCAT's position as a nimble, innovative player could give it explosive upside. It's exactly the kind of undervalued, small-cap growth story that speculative investors look for when hunting for the next potential 10x return. Next on the list is Ondas Holdings ticker symbol, ONDS, another small cap that's making big moves in the AI-powered drone and autonomous systems market. Unlike many drone players that focus strictly on hardware, Ondas stands out for its dual focus. Not only does it build advanced drones through its subsidiary American Robotics, but it also develops next-generation wireless connectivity and AI software that enable drones to operate fully autonomously. This isn't just about flying cameras. Ondas is tackling critical industries like defense, agriculture, railroads, and energy, where drones can handle inspection, surveillance, and monitoring without human pilots. Its AI-driven autonomy systems are designed to let drones fly beyond visual line of sight, a game-changer in sectors that require large-scale, continuous monitoring. That makes ONDS a potential leader in drone-as-a-service, DaaS, a model that analysts say could rapidly expand over the next few years. Financially, Ondas has been volatile like most small caps, but it's also securing partnerships and regulatory approvals that build long-term credibility. The stock trades at a fraction of its potential market size, and with recent traction in defense and industrial contracts, Wall Street sees significant upside if execution improves. Technical setup suggests ONDS is building a base, and any contract wins could spark a rally that quickly re-rates the stock. What sets Ondas apart is its combination of hardware and AI autonomy software, making it not just a drone manufacturer, but a platform company. If the company continues to deliver on its vision of fully autonomous drone systems at scale, it has the ingredients to be one of the most explosive players in the AI drone space. For investors willing to take on small-cap volatility, ONDS could be a sleeper pick with the potential to 10x as adoption accelerates. The third AI drone stock on our list is Draganfly, ticker symbol DPRO, a veteran in the drone industry with a track record that stretches back over 2 decades and one of the first companies to pioneer commercial drone technology. Today, Draganfly is leveraging AI, robotics, and advanced sensor systems to create drones with applications in public safety, agriculture, delivery, and defense. What makes Draganfly especially compelling is its multi-sector reach. Its AI-powered drones aren't limited to just one industry. They're used for emergency response, medical supply delivery, infrastructure inspection, and even demining operations. This breadth gives DPRO a diversified pipeline of opportunities, something that many small-cap drone peers don't have. The company has been consistently winning contracts with government agencies and private enterprises, highlighting the growing demand for its AI-driven drone solutions. Earlier in 2025, Draganfly secured new defense and humanitarian projects that could scale in the coming quarters. Despite being a microcap, DPRO has managed to punch above its weight by competing in both the defense and commercial drone markets, positioning itself as a trusted innovator. Financially, the stock has faced headwinds, trading under $1 for much of the year, but analysts argue that its technology portfolio and expanding contracts could pave the way for a turnaround. The company is also strategically positioned to benefit from rising defense budgets worldwide, as well as the push for autonomous delivery solutions in logistics and healthcare. What sets Draganfly apart is its combination of legacy experience and cutting-edge AI applications. Few drone companies can claim they were early pioneers and are still innovating at the front lines of AI adoption today. For investors seeking a high-risk, high-reward play with exposure to multiple growth verticals, DPRO could be the kind of stock that surprises the market and potentially delivers outsized returns if contracts scale in 2026 and beyond. Now, here's the wild card in our lineup, because while drones are the stars of the show, they're nothing without power. That's where Amprius Technologies' ticker symbol, AMPX, comes in. Amprius is a cutting-edge battery company developing next-generation silicon anode lithium-ion batteries that deliver significantly higher energy density than conventional lithium-ion cells. Translation? Lighter, longer-lasting batteries that keep drones in the air longer, a critical advantage for both defense and commercial applications. What makes AMPX so exciting is that its technology isn't limited to drones. These batteries are also being targeted for electric aviation, EVs, wearables, and military applications. With the global battery market projected to surpass $400 billion by 2030, Amprius is carving out a position in one of the fastest-growing and most strategically important industries on the planet. In recent quarters, Amprius has been ramping up production, scaling its Colorado Gigafactory, and expanding its list of partnerships with defense contractors and aerospace leaders. Its batteries have already been tested in next-gen drones and high-altitude platforms, proving their ability to deliver longer flight times and better performance. Analysts are bullish too. Some have suggested that if Amprius executes on its scaling plan, the stock could be a multi-bagger in just a few years. Of course, this is still an early-stage growth play, with all the risks that come with scaling advanced manufacturing. But the potential upside is massive. If AI drones are going to fulfill their promise, they'll need batteries that last longer, weigh less, and charge faster. And right now, Amprius is one of the few companies with real technology to deliver on that need. For investors looking to play the AI drone boom from a different angle, not through the drones themselves, but through the power source that keeps them flying, AMPX could be the smartest way to ride the wave. So, which of these 4 names has the strongest potential to 10x? While Redcat, Ondas, and Draganfly are all legitimate AI drone innovators with unique advantages, my standout pick is Amprius Technologies, AMPX. Why? Because no matter which drone company wins the most contracts or builds the best AI platform, they all depend on one thing: batteries. Without longer-lasting, lighter, and more efficient power, the AI drone revolution stalls before it takes off. Amprius is solving that bottleneck, and its technology doesn't just power drones, it applies to aviation, EVs, and military systems. That gives AMPX both a diversified runway and the leverage of being the picks and shovels provider in a booming industry. If drones explode in adoption, Amprius wins every single time. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you never miss out on the next big investing opportunity. Until next time, invest smart and stay ahead of the trends.